Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So I will put this one go to the right. Later that we divide both sides by this one. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. So I will concentrate on this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. So this one we have a square minus s square. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2u du. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0. This one we have 2x. Because we don't have negative number 2, so we divide both sides by negative number 2. So this one we change by u. S, the s we change by negative u du. So this one we have negative number 1. The integration of this one we have negative u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. So we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. This one we have y. That is the end. Thank you for watching.